Hello, everyone. I guess it's my time now. Good morning. It's a great honor to be at the Gen AI Summit as Vice Governor of Digital Governance, representing the region of Central Macedonia and sharing our story of digital transformation. I would like to apologize for being online. We have an urgent meeting in Alexandroupoli regarding the regions in Greece. Today, I would like to say a few things about how we have reimagined public services to better serve citizens using technologies and particularly artificial intelligence as a driving force. Our work has not only improved accessibility and efficiency, but has also laid the foundation for a citizen-centric public sector. When we began this journey, our vision was clear: to make public services more accessible, faster, and efficient for everyone. But this wasn't just about digitizing existing processes. It was about rethinking the way government services are designed and delivered to ensure they truly serve the people. Central to this vision was the idea of enabling citizens to access public services remotely. Today, through our platform, over 700 public services are fully digital. Whether applying for business licenses, accessing permits, or managing administrative tasks, citizens can now do this without stepping into a regional government office. This has saved countless hours and reduced bureaucracy. Yet, transforming the citizens-facing side was just a part of the solution. We knew that to achieve real change, we also needed to optimize how these services are handled behind the scenes at the back office. What sets our transformation apart is its holistic nature. For the first time, we've not only digitalized citizens' applications, but also revamped the internal workflows for public employees. This includes an advanced system powered by artificial intelligence, which automates repetitive tasks, organizing flows, and enables faster decision making. AI flags incomplete applications, suggests next steps, and offers tools for real-time data analysis. This means applications are processed faster, decisions are more accurate, and citizens received answers in a record time. This system is a testament to how digital transformation can deliver tangible benefits to both citizens and employees, making public services more responsive and effective. However, technology alone isn't enough. We understood early on that success of this transformation will depend on the people behind it. That's why we invest in training public servants, equipping them with the skills they need to embrace these changes. But beyond skills, we focused on cultivating a digital mindset, one that embraces innovation, views technology as a tool for empowerment, and prioritizes citizens' welfare. Our approach is deeply anthropocentric. Technology must serve the people, not the other way around. AI and automation are tools to enhance human intelligence guided by human values. This means ensuring technology is inclusive, accessible, and designed with citizens in mind. It also requires transparency so people understand how these systems work and trust in their fairness and reliability. By staying true to this vision, we aim to create a public sector that is not only more efficient but also more compassionate and human-centered. Of course, such a transformation is not without challenges. We faced cultural resistance, gaps in digital skills, and complexities of integrating AI into traditional systems. We overcome these hurdles through three key strategies: education first, collaboration, and transparency. These efforts not only helped us achieve our goals, but also created a stronger foundation for future innovation. While we are proud of our progress, this is just the beginning. Digital transformation is a continuous journey, and we remain committed to driving innovation. Our ultimate aim is to create a public sector for not only meet the citizens' needs, but inspire them by showcasing what's possible with technology. To conclude, I'm immensely proud of what we've accomplished in the region of Central Macedonia. Our platform is not just a tool, it's a blueprint for how digital governance can act as a catalyst for meaningful change. Now it's time to see an example from our technical team for this project, Mr. Katsaridis, to showcase the system driving this transformation. They will demonstrate how our fully integrated AI-powered platform works and how it's setting new standard for digital services in public sector. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to exploring how we can continue to build a smarter, more inclusive future together. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the introduction, and thank you all for attending this event. I am honored to be here. I'm representing our collaboration on this project. I'm Stavros Katsaridis, Operations Manager of Dotsoft. And for this use case, we will demonstrate the project that we have with the region of Central Macedonia and this transformation journey that Mr. Zolas described previously. We can begin with a presentation of this project and the presentation of our profile. So on this project, we were a group of companies, Dotsoft and Modus. Both are leaders in the area of digital transformation for the public sector. And this is one of the main projects that we have in the regions of Greece. The challenge that we had to find a solution is well known for the Greek citizens and the Greek businesses. We have services that are not always available. We have services that are not highly secured and cannot be trusted from all relevant citizens and businesses. In order to tackle all these challenges, we had to find a solution that has as a goal to develop and provision extrovert services for the external users, the citizens and the businesses, and provision a system that is user-friendly in order to exchange documents and have electronic and digitized processes between employees of the region. In order to do that, we had a lot of tools to take into account. The design and implementation of and development of these digital tools helped us to create a unified, integrated information system that handles both the requests from the external users and the processes within the region and its employees. With this platform, we have managed to optimize the required activities and the procedures of the region, and that means that the users, the external users, the citizens and the businesses have the receipt of their application and the request in a more optimized way. In order to achieve that, we have also created a methodology to digitalize all the processes that were now, until then, physical. And we had to create a transition between the physical world and the digitalized environment that we have created in order not to miss anything, keep all the best practices, and improve them in order to provide better service for the audience. The result was that in the initial phase and now live, we have 80 processes that are already digitalized, optimized, modelized, and available for the citizens and the businesses. And on the final stage, we will expand this platform to incorporate other business processes too. Also, the next chapter of this platform will be to implement AI tools or something different that we will discuss at the end, which will make even more optimized the work that we will present to the audience. If we can summarize the benefits that we provide with this project, we can have two types of benefits, one for the external users, the citizens, and one for the management, the organization of the region. The user have direct access to documents, procedures, and their cases, anywhere and anytime, with relevant updates per stage of the management process. It is an automated process, having all the tools to digitize all the steps, all the phases, and all the stages of a process from from the beginning to the conclusion. And we have consolidated all the silos of the data in order to provide operational information and unify all the available data sources into one common platform, into one user experience. The outcome provides us prompt services with high quality, historicity, documentation, and security. The benefits for the organization are that we have reduced the operational expenses, we have reduced the time of operation for each process, and we have created a user-friendly platform both for the inside and the outside world. It is a valid and timely decision-making tool that increases productivity and the quality of services. It also provides the supervision that the management requires to see where the processes are stuck and where the backlogs are created or where there are points of failure or problems with these processes to be improved. A little bit more technical detail about how we have done it. We have created a platform that it is unified and integrated. This means that we did not stick to a plan to provide only a tool to create a solution to only one problem, but create a platform of subsystems to address these matters holistically, which means that we have different subsystems that might be a specific project of their own and combine it to create an added value. The first subsystem is the digital services platform, which is the platform that creates the environment for the external users, the citizens and the businesses to submit their application and create a request in a digital form. This automates all the processes of authentication and submission and the historicity that creates a digital repository for the entities. The second subsystem is the receival of this request and the process to create all the workflows in order to approve or reject the applications. This is the heart of the system where all the physical world is transferred to the digital era. And we have created all the workflows and all the tools, all the elements that one needs to have at hand to follow the process end to end. The third subsystem is a role-based public sector business intelligence platform, which collects data from different kind of data sources and create analytics and help the management to even improve optimize the processes for the region. And in parallel of all these tasks, all these phases and all these subsystems, we had a sub-project to create this roadmap of digital transformation by digitalizing each process, each procedure, each step and each phase into an IT-based system and into IT-based world. And in order to do that, we have a lot of tools and methodologies that we have also incorporated in our methodology. A simplistic way to structure this integrated information system can be shown in this diagram, when you can see that we have different layers of subsystems and modules. As you can see here, all are at the end combined between them in order to provide a unified experience. A little bit more detail of how this flows between the stakeholders can be shown at this slide. You can see that every process, every procedure starts from the citizen, which selects or collects all the information, gathers all the information for the process that requires to do an action, has the tools to submit all the documentation required and make the submission, the request digitally through a platform. And then this request transfers to the world of the region as an internal tool gets the incoming request from the citizen and handles it between the employees of the region. So the incoming request becomes a workflow, and it is managed only through a single pane of glass, without printing or without having to go out of a personal computer. At the end, all this process ends up to create a digital documentation that can be found in the digital repository for the citizen. This process has a lot of subsystems that creates a common ground for all these tools and modules to collaborate effectively, which unites the organization chart, the stakeholders matrix, the responsibilities, the legislation, the processes, the standard documents that need to be used, the digital signatures that need to be used also by the employees, and all these interfaces that need to collaborate with other subsystems to create a pane of glass and a unified experience. In parallel, we have created a business intelligence platform. This platform is directly connected to the subsystems, creating different kind of dashboards and reports for the management of the region to better understand the pain points of the processes, monitor the efficiency of this digitalized process, and focus on which areas would like to improve in order to create added value to the existing digitized experiences. And as we have said at the beginning, in order to do that, we had to create a methodology that digitalize all these processes, optimize their workflow, and modelize them in order to be able for the next integrator or the region to make them even more optimized or create other digital processes as we did. In order to achieve that, we have used tools for optimization and techniques that combine business process management systems. We have also used project management systems and data analytics tools, and we have used also some software to create workflow management and process management modules. The outcome would be to create workflow for digitizing all the work and all the processes that the employees were following, and document everything into diagrams and into analytic workflows for everyone to be informed of how to operate these procedures. This is a continuous process, so every time we need to readdress an issue or a procedure, we can optimize these guides and create even better value to these processes. And at the end, we have also created a platform where we can monitor the cost efficiency of the project, where we can see the cost benefit of the implementation and understand if we can have these tools to support us both in the cost efficiency as in the operation process. So this is only the beginning, although it seems that to be the end of this presentation. The next step would be to better understand how to support the employees even better. And this is actually the question to what is to follow. From our end, since we have created this digital world and we have this transformation journey coming to an end at this phase, we understand we have to decide where the digital compass we need to look at. And from starting from the human intelligence, which was the source of our project and the source of our data, we have now created a digital platform, and we are discussing about AI tools to better improve this process and this experience for the employees. And actually, we have understood that this is not probably the best case to follow and not the best option, but we have to create an augmented intelligence tool, an augmented intelligence system, in order to be one step ahead of the challenges. That means that the following screens that you will see that are the demo environment of these processes might be digital, but might not be as user-friendly as we would like in this era. So you will see a lot of buttons, a lot of information that can be optimized. This information can be transcribed and create an agent that will collaborate with the user and have, let's say, a methodology that will have as a first step the machine, the agent, to collect and gather all the data, and then say to the agent what will be the next steps and how to not spend time into understanding which should be the correct option, which should be followed, and which will be the next steps to have the best outcome possible of this process. So this is the digital journey that we have followed with the region of Central Macedonia. We can show you some more demonstration if you are available at the end of this day. And I would like to thank you for your attention and your time. And that's it for me. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. Okay. Until you find it out, I can start. Good morning again. It is an honor for me to be here today as a representative of the region of Central Macedonia. My name is Anna Dzika. I'm an elected regional councillor, a civil engineer, and a founder of a non-profit organization for social welfare Hopefully soon we will be able to use AI in our services too, but we're here today to talk about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and digital transformation, that they're no longer just trends, but defining factors for the process and success of modern societies. At the region of Central Macedonia, with its strategic location and rich cultural heritage, combines strong academic and research potential with a continuous process of a digital upgrading, aiming to become a model for how innovation enhances prospects and improve citizens' lives. All this leads to a continuous evolution as an international center of technology and development. Our goal is to create an environment that fosters entrepreneurship and innovation. To achieve this, we focus on three key areas. One, retraining human resources. So, I begin with education and the development of digital skills, which are crucial for enhancing the competitiveness of our organizations. The world of artificial intelligence demands an entirely new set of skills, like data analysis capabilities, implementation of new codes and algorithms, and understanding the ethic of machine learning are now essential to across all sectors. So our goal is to ensure the career development of workers and open new development opportunities, employment opportunities. Two, adoption of new digital and innovative specialties. In an era where artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, we must focus on developing educational system to support market needs. The lack of skilled workforce, mainly due to foreign investments in the IT sectors, is a challenge that we are facing head-on. Three, strengthening the connection between innovation and entrepreneurship. So rapid digitalization of new technologies brings significant changes to the labor market, making continuous education and development of digital skills necessary. Lifelong learning is not just an option, but a crucial necessity for a professional adaptation and social process. In the region of Central Macedonia, we're strengthening digital education and providing tools and opportunities for the acquisition of modern skills to better link the education labor market requirements. Collaborations between entities and businesses, creating new opportunities and strengthening strategies, partnerships with universities and reach center, creating a feeding ground for new potential. Three, conferences. We have organized many events and conferences aiming to enhancing digital skills and connecting education with labor market. Quick reformation of curricula of secondary and post-secondary education will serve the market more rapidly. Here are a few. Is in Greek, I'm going to translate. We use this to promote the conferences. So it's a conference on developing digital skills and linking vocational education with the labor market, with over 150 participants that confirmed our commitment to connecting all entities to strengthening the educational system towards new technologies. In another event on introducing innovative digital skills instructors and higher vocational training schools, vocational schools, and vocational high schools, we discussed the modern role these institutions play in connecting with the labor market. A conference with co-organized with the Directorate of Secondary Education of Eastern Thessaloniki on career orientation in the age of digital transformation. New professions are taking lead in career orientation programs and school career guidance actions. Top technology and education executives had the opportunity to discuss new professional opportunities for the digital age. In communication and connectivity, we are using artificial intelligence for more effective and management implementing for more personalized public multi-services. Our vision is to make everyday experience more enjoyable and more productive for the citizen and also for the people who work for the region. In closing, I want to emphasize that our investment in artificial intelligence and the development of new technologies is a strategic choice that makes our region more competitive and more flexible in a global market. Thank you for your attention, and I hope that we can continue the discussion with all of you here at the Gen AI Summit Greece 2024. Thank you very much.